Yes, students. Now we create parent table. So I think you all know how to create the primary key. Okay, so I'm creating the table customer. So simple, you have to write the command create table. The table name is customer. Okay, its field SID. Its data type, you can put the integer and create primary key constraint. Okay, the next column name is last name. Its data type where here. Size you can assign. Next column first name. Its data type is where here. Size is now this is the way to creating parent table. So first into the database you have to create the customer table. So after creating this table you have to create the second table is order. Into the order table you have column order ID, order date, customer SID, and last column is amount. Into the order table order ID is primary key and customer SID is foreign key. Clear? So now we know how to create the foreign key. There customer ID records will be derived from the SID. Means user cannot able to insert new SID. Actually the customer means the user can only insert existing record which are available into the customer table. He not able to insert the new record into the customer SID. So first we know that how to create the foreign key. So there is command, you know, the command is create table. Okay, so you have to write the create table. The table name is orders. First column order ID, that is data type is integer and with primary key. Clear? Second column name is order date. Its data type is date. Next one is customer SID and its data type is integer. Okay, and last column is amount and its data type integer. Okay, so I created all the column, but there is no the foreign key. So now I am creating the foreign key. The simple, you have to first write the foreign key. Which field you want to become the foreign key? The foreign key column name is customer ID. So you have to write the name of customer ID.